Bigas kami natuloy sa Cray Family Farm kasi nga umuulan. Until now, maambon-ambon pa. So, kakain muna kami dito sa Milky Oak Cafe sa Lacombe. Oh, yung mga bata naglilinis. Kaya na, wag na natin dito. Hi! So, we just ordered our food and waiting na lang kami. Si Daddy. Hi, Daddy. And very cozy dito sa loob. Hi, Dayla. Hi, Ate. And of course, the Baduday. The Baduday is here, huh? What are you? You're eating?
Cream of tomato soup and then a biscuit. Dayla. Daddy. Ito.
Ayan. So we got our order. I have chicken, avocado with tomato soup, and Daddy has Swiss burger, the salad, grilled cheese, of course, usual. Cheers daw. Mac and cheese pala. And then kay Ate ay grilled cheese. Ayan siya. And si Shangi, ay gumaganon pa talaga yung mata. Smile na, smile. Smile. Let's eat.